Welcome to another episode of Plant Fanatics. Today we're talking about a really crazy citrus tree, so stay tuned. We're here in my little citrus corner in my backyard, and I want to show you guys my Ponderosa lemon tree. You can see how big these lemons are. They can get up to 5 pounds, which is really crazy for a lemon. And I've had a lot of comments in some of my other videos of people saying it's green, it must be a lime. Guys, lemons are also green up until they ripen, when they will turn yellow. And this is already starting to turn yellow a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit longer. Now, what's kind of a nuisance about this citrus is that if you're growing it in a container, the fruit can get so large and so heavy that it'll actually pull your container over, especially at a smaller size like this and in a smaller container like this. So something that you're gonna wanna consider is maybe putting some gravel in the bottom of the pot, maybe putting some bricks in the bottom of the pot, something to weigh it down so it doesn't fall over, because it can be slightly annoying. With that being said, it does have a little bit of a thicker rind, but there's flesh inside, there's tons of juice. You can make lemon pies, you can make lemonade. It's a great tasting lemon. So the Ponderosa lemon is high up on my list. It's one of my favorite citrus trees to grow, especially in a container. It's gonna wow all of your friends and family every time they see it, and everybody's gonna wanna taste it. So that's the Ponderosa lemon. If you guys have any questions about this tree, leave them in the comments below. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell to get notifications when we upload in the future. Thanks so much for watching, guys.